Hi there, this is Maths with Angela, going through a question here to do with simplifying algebraic fractions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a go at doing another example below it, and then I will let you have a go at the other one. Okay, so here's my example below. So say I had 8 and then x plus 2 to the power of 6 over 4 x plus 2 to the power of 4, let's say. Okay, then now what we're basically doing here is we're cancelling down. So as you can see here, I can divide these, so I end up with 2, and then I'm going to cancel these fractions down. Now you can see they've got the same thing in each fraction, so you consider them as I've got 6 of these brackets, and then I've got 4 of these brackets, so I can cancel down 4 of these brackets on the top. Yeah, so if I was going to write this out in full, I'd have 8 at the start and have x, I'd have x plus 2, then another x plus 2, then another x plus 2, I'm up to 3, then another one, 4, then another one, 5, then another one, 6, yeah? And that would all be over my 4 at the start, and then I'd have 4 of these, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? So what you can see here is I can cancel down this one with this one, this one, this one, this one with this one, this one with this one. So I end up with these two on the top, and that would be, my x plus 2, and it would be squared. So in other words, I take away the powers when it's division. Okay, hopefully that's helpful and you can have a go at this question. Bye.